Alright, what's going on YouTube? Emil here. Been seeing these on YouTube the past little while, and they're called EDCs. I'm going to turn the light on so you guys can see a little bit better. EDCs, everyday carries, and I figured I'd make one. So, starting off with the arms, got myself a paracord bracelet. Digicamo, military colors, you can see that a little bit better. So, got that. Now, if you guys don't know, I do chewing tobacco, and I got myself some Red Man. Tastes good. Don't really have a lot left, but some of that. My wallet doesn't have a lot of stuff in it right now because it got wet. It's all over there. But as you can see, I have money. That there. Now for my keys. And my keys. Myself a bottle opener, protector, a couple of cards, my GameStop, my YMCA, my house key, and my carpentry box keys in here somewhere, but you know what, I'm not even going to bother with that. So, and my keys, sorry, a little bit stuffed up today, my Zippo, for when I smoke, that there, my multi-tool. Now, this is a little cheapo multi-tool, but it still works really good. I got it at Brookstone for $5, sell out. For my knife, my Tuckerman Ravine, assisted folder. I'd say that's maybe a 3-inch blade. Beautiful little knife, real beast of a knife. And that's my everyday carry. Not too heavy, not too light. Perfect. So if you want to see anything like this, comment, subscribe, or just even like if you want. Thanks a lot, guys.